Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recolor items on Roblox Catalog Avatar. So I'm just going to go to effects here and I'm going to select the item I want to add the color to. I don't think you can actually do this on Roblox, you can just do it in this game. So I'm just going to, for instance, color it to like a ginger color. I can do that here. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. You can also enter a decal link here for a custom texture. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.